Hello, everyone. So I am here yet again interviewing another topper of the INISS and meet Dr. Anshu Seni. She's secured AML rank 3. Congratulations, Anshu. It's a great feat achieved.
Thank you. Thank you a lot, ma'am.
And I was just chatting up with her a little bit before the interview, and she's completed her MBBS from GGS Faridkot and MS from GMC Patiala, which was last year she completed. And after that, you said you did your SR-ship from the same college. And while you were doing your SR-ship, you pursued the preparation for the plastic surgery entrance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first tell me, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, ma'am. Finally, I'm out of the rat race, I can say.
Yeah, relieved, I think
Yes,
relief would be the first thing that all of us feel that, okay, finally it's done and no more of the, running around questions and preparations and all. So
yes, ma'am.
you must be
Definitely.
so glad and relieved, right?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Wonderful, wonderful. So tell us a little bit about your, how did you decide to become a plastic surgeon? Why plastic surgery?
I actually entered MS General Surgery after getting inspiration from a plastic surgeon in my UG college, ma'am.
Oh.
But somehow, when we enter MS General Surgery, we get fascinated with all the GI surgeries and all. So my focus was tilting away towards that for some time,
Hmm.
and I started preparing for it also. So I was not clear about the branch. So I decided I should go ahead with NEET. That'll give me some time to decide
Right.
that which branch I want to take. So I gave NEET last year. I got a rank of 600 something,
Okay.
and I decided to take up plastic if I would get, but somehow I did not get Safdarjung and RML. So they were
Hmm.
just like 1-2 spots before my rank they finished. So I was still waiting for the second or third round that I might just get, but it did not happen. Then I thought I should prepare. I should give a chance to the INI, and I started preparing from January, ma'am. January of this year.
Oh, okay. So
Yes,
not a
ma'am.
very long time, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I think your hard work that you did last year has paid off this year finally.
Uh, yes, ma'am. I think so.
So what was your strategy? And so from when you were in MS, did you do any preparation that time?
In my third year of MS, ma'am, I took Marrow subscription. I took it for some time, and while preparing for my final year exams, ma'am, I was going through all the videos, also general surgery videos, gastro videos, and plastic surgery videos as well. So I'd seen your videos back then, but back then we were not provided with the notes, so I had to somehow like take screenshot of every note and get it photocopied and all. So I had those notes of yours, and but I just didn't like read it again before the NEET exam. So this year, from January, ma'am, I saw your videos last year, topper videos, and I formed a strategy that how to proceed with it. And everyone was saying that the basic like Bible is going to be the Grab and Smith. So I got it photocopied. I analyzed that there were too many chapters, and I thought I will not be able to cover it in such a short duration of time. So I started watching videos. But then, without getting the basic foundation of plastic surgery, it is difficult to understand the videos, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
So I thought that it doesn't matter how much time it takes, I will cover the Grab and Smiths. So I covered it in January itself. Uh, and I also read your notes. I had made some highlighted the important points last year.
Right,
So
right.
I read your notes and I compiled both of them. So
Hmm.
important points from Grabs and from your notes.
Hmm.
And this was done, I think, by mid of February this year.
Hmm.
So after that, I just like totally relied on my notes that I had prepared from both these. And
Hmm.
from your previous videos, I also saw one topper telling like about a book keynotes. So I
Hmm.
found it very it's a very crux of all the
Yeah,
important
true.
topics.
But again,
So
until
I
unless you know the basics, keynotes can
yes,
be
ma'am.
very baffling.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Definitely. So I gave it a reading. It's just a 300 pages book and that
yeah,
too short. So I gave it a
yeah.
reading. I finished in 2-3 days.
Hmm.
And then I solved the Marrow question bank, ma'am. I had done the question bank. I took screenshot of the important questions that I I thought that I had not covered from the videos and notes. So
Hmm.
I kept that folder of screenshots with me in my phone. So I used to revise it during my duty hours and everything.
Okay.
And I completed all this by March, ma'am, and April I kept for the revision only. So I watched the videos again in 2x,
Hmm.
just like 10-15 days before my exam. So they were very helpful in consolidating all the important points, the
Hmm.
videos, ma'am.
So basically, like, so what do you think? Like, when somebody is wanting to prepare, let's say that if you had to redo it again,
Yes, ma'am.
mm, let's go back in time, maybe a couple of years back. How would
Mhm.
you replan, and what do you think that could have been done better?
I think my indecisiveness to choose the branch was the first thing. If I would have stuck by plastic surgery in my third year itself, maybe I would have cracked the October session. So that is the thing that I feel I could have done better. And regarding the preparation, ma'am, I decided in Jan itself to start like completely preparing for it. So I was all together like head deep in books, and this was
Hmm.
my only chance. So I took it like that I have
Hmm.
to do it this time.
Do it, yeah,
So
yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, and see, I mean, I would take you as almost like a fresher only because you've not worked in plastic surgery before, have you?
No, ma'am. No,
Yeah.
I've done 1 month rotation, but that's it.
Yeah. And I think, that 1 month or couple of months rotation doesn't really bring a lot of orientation in you because you hardly see the branch in full. Like, and, in most of the places, not everything is being done and every department will function differently. But
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, I think it does. Of course, there is a little advantage where you get an exposure to a branch that,
Hmm.
yes, okay, this is what I thought it was and this is what it really is. But
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, I think the decisions, sometimes some people are very sure that okay, they want this specialty, and
Yes, ma'am.
then later on they go on to uh, change their branches. So for example, when I entered into MBBS, I entered with the vision that I will become a plastic surgeon. So right from MBBS. But when I was doing my MS, as you rightly said, that we get so engrossed in gastro and everything that it
Hmm.
starts fascinating you so much.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
then I was like that, okay, fine. I mean, I may not want to do plastic surgery, but then I came
Mhm.
back to my original choice, and yeah, I think that was the right thing to do. So yes, you are right. Deciding earlier is definitely an advantage
Yes, ma'am.
because that is how you can push yourself into it fully. And
Yes,
if you are
ma'am.
indecisive, then it feels like whether I should do it or not do it. So that becomes kind of you keep going back and forth with it. So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, indecisiveness, I am totally with you on that because I faced this myself.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now you tell me that how did you find the marrow? I mean, how much did it help you, the
I
lectures?
had prepared from Marrow in my PG days also, ma'am, before like
Okay,
NEET PG also. So I
right.
think, and plus Marrow was one of the first platforms to have introduced the super speciality thing.
Yeah.
In my second year only, I saw uh, your advertisement and all. So I decided that I'll take Marrow subscription in my third year, final year.
Mhm. So did it
Yes.
set the base for you? Would you
Yeah,
say that?
definitely, ma'am. It did. It helped me in my final year exams also, and
Okay.
definitely in the competitive exams too.
Mhm. And what about the stage two preparation? Like, theory, I understand that yes, you got
Mhm.
time to revise and all of that. And then once you got selected for for the second round, then how did you revise your strategy?
I had attended your interview session, ma'am, and couple of YouTube videos. So I jotted down like the important topics. There were like
Right.
hardly 20-25 topics. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
decided to.
We also did a Zoom session. Did you
Yes,
attend that as
ma'am.
well?
Yes,
Oh, you
ma'am.
did.
I was
Okay.
there. I was there.
Okay. Okay.
So I made a list of those topics and
Yeah.
I decided that I'll read them from textbook.
Hmm.
But I even asked you a question that should I switch over to some other book, because I think for the
Ah, yes,
interview,
yes. Oh,
yes,
yes. I remember. Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
ma'am, I did. So, but then you said no, that I should stick to my notes only. So I decided to do that.
yeah.
And I revised those important topics, ma'am. And as they said that there used to be like stations, and they show us photographs
Hmm.
of instruments and imaging and all. So I
Right.
was preparing for that also. But just one day before the interview, they sent us all a mail that we have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation.
Oh,
And
really? Oh,
yes, ma'am. I think one day at 2:30 p.m. We were all revising the important things, and they sent us a mail.
okay.
So, and it had to include what are your academic. It was a sort of a CV only, so
CV.
publications
Okay.
and yes.
Right. Right.
So and that too PowerPoint presentation. So I was designing that also, and we had to send it like by morning 8 on the
Okay.
day of interview.
Right.
So all our time day before the interview went into that only.
That.
So next
Uh,
day, yes, ma'am. Next day, my interview was in the afternoon, and there were six vivas in total, ma'am. And there were no like we were not shown any instruments or imaging or anything this time.
mm,
So two of the vivas they had our PowerPoint presentations
mm.
by their side, and they were asking whatever they found interesting in our CV from that. So
So, what did they ask you?
uh, first, I was part of some trials, ma'am, in my college as
Okay.
data manager. So they asked me about that. What is a cluster randomized trial and things like that. Then they asked us that what interests you in plastic surgery. So I had written super microsurgery. So he asked me what is the HOD sir. He asked me about super microsurgery. So I told him a bit about that.
Mm-hmm.
Then they asked me whether I was interested in research and everything. What is a research question? What are the components of research questions? So stats, basic knowledge you need to have.
Right.
And yeah, these two vivas were related to my CV, and the rest of the four vivas they had asked me what all have I seen in plastic surgery,
Hmm.
what all cases I've seen. So I
Hmm.
had just seen basic, ma'am, skin grafting and simple local
Right.
flaps and liposuction and things like that. So I just tendon repair. So I told them all these things, and they were asking me questions related to these topics only. I think
Hmm.
three vivas, and one viva was typical. That for that, ma'am, interviews these mock interviews helped. They asked me about the Nagpur classification and Dr. C.K. Balakrishnan's his contribution apart
Hmm.
from the Nagpur classification, his other contribution, and then brachial plexus injuries and nerve transfer and things like that.
Hmm. So, brachial plexus injury and nerve transfers and all, were you able to answer all the questions?
No, it was basic questions I could like.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
what I said. Like, they are not expecting you to be like, fully versed with all the complicated topics. But yeah, I mean, if you can give a little, little bit here and there, and but still piece it together, I think
yes,
that
ma'am.
forms the
Like
basic.
ma'am, Dr. Shivanshi, she had asked me about a patient of facial nerve palsy. So how will be my approach to that patient? So I told her,
Mm.
and she told me like patient has come after 2 years. So how will you approach the patient? So we need to have a cross facial nerve grafting,
No
and then
chance.
I answered two, three questions, and then she was like, "What is a babysitting procedure?" And I could not answer that. It was not. I did not know that.
Mm-hmm. Also, in the other stations, like you said, the other three vivas,
Yes,
what were the
ma'am.
questions asked, like the tendon repairs and all?
Ma'am, they were asking me about how will you approach a tendon repair versus tendon reconstruction,
Okay,
and uh, what are the differences in the technique of tendon repair versus reconstruction? How will you
reconstruction.
approach extensor tendon? How will you approach flexor tendon? About the pulleys, about
Hmm.
hunter rod,
Hmm.
and the size of the hunter rod. That I could
Oh,
not answer.
okay. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
So,
And
yeah, basic approaches basically, and
yes,
how would you plan your cases and all? I think
yes,
that
ma'am.
was the
Yes.
question that they wanted to ask. Okay, and what were the other two stations? You said like one is
One earlier they had told us that there were going to be like five stations only, but surprisingly
hmm,
there was a sixth station as well in the
six.
last.
Okay.
So there
Hmm.
they asked me basics about skin grafting, what are the stages of skin grafting, and what
Okay.
is the difference in the uptake of a, superficial STSG and full thickness skin graft. So
Right.
differences in uptake. That
Hmm.
question. And basic only what are the newer techniques of skin grafting? What are the expansion ratios?
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Anything about flaps?
Flaps, yeah, Limburg flap.
Okay.
Defermental flap, modifications of limber flap, what are the advantages of defermental flap, these
Hmm.
things.
Okay. All right. So you had a very interesting vibe, it seems.
I think they asked me about, I counted like 35 to 40 questions they must have asked. Like,
Okay. So that means the topics that I understand that they covered was the one, of course, the super microsurgery, because you answered that. Statistics was separate. Then
yes, ma'am.
about facial nerve palsy, you said brachial plexus
Yes,
injury,
ma'am.
nerve transfers, approach to nerve transfer versus, no, sorry, the tendon transfers and the tendon repairs, both of
Yes,
these,
ma'am.
right? All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
And about the skin grafting. What other
Yes.
like broad topics would did they ask?
This time it was different. Whatever topics we had the privilege of, giving them the topics that
Okay.
we
Yeah.
wanted them to ask us. So I told them about few other topics like liposuction also, but they were not really
They were not.
interested in that.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So yeah. So what topics did you choose out of your own?
Tendon repair, ma'am, because I had seen that, so
Yeah.
that I studied before as well, and
Hmm.
the flaps, local flaps, ma'am.
Local flaps
Yes.
also. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think these are basic topics, and normally, candidates who prepare well are well versed with these topics. So I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
you did a smart thing by choosing these two topics. And this was really interesting about the PPT that they asked you to prepare.
Yes, ma'am. We were also surprised.
So that was nice because I think research is actually important in these institutes, and they want a person to be. And see, you are going to pursue your MCH, so obviously you've already done your MS, you've done your the PSM, the preventive social medicine, all that. So they definitely want. Last time also, I mean, I think in the this session also, I said that there was a candidate earlier also who was asked about the different aspects of few of the aspects of the research based questions and all. But again, like, you're never sure as to if they will come around and ask that again. So great, Anshu. So what are your plans and when are you joining?
Ma'am, the counseling is yet to take place,
Yeah,
but I have options. I'm still sort of finding out what suits me the best. So,
right.
yes, ma'am.
Great. So you are interested in super microsurgery, and that's a super long road. So no, but actually, it can be. Again, plastic surgery has also got so many now sub branches, or you can say subspecialty within a super
Yes,
specialty.
ma'am.
That obviously, if you are very keen on a particular subspecialty, then you can pursue it, and that is always better because
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, initially it does take away a lot of your training years and all, but I think it's totally worth it. So great, it's been wonderful talking to you, Anshu. And when is the counseling? Have they shared the date as yet?
No, ma'am, nothing
No.
yet.
Okay, okay. So where do you think you will join?
I think I won't get Delhi this time because there are only two seats.
Two seats,
So,
yeah.
yes, ma'am. So,
But you never
probably,
know. Yeah.
probably since Chandigarh is my hometown, so PGI I was thinking, ma'am.
Oh,
But,
that's a wonderful department and a lot of academics there actually.
yes, ma'am.
So yeah, I mean, any of these two would be, I think, they are almost equivalent. And PGI is definitely a much older. There the super specialties existed for a longer time. The MCH course. So yeah, wonderful, great. So you'll be closer to home also. So that will also uh,
Yes, ma'am.
kind of be a little easy on you.
Yeah.
So great, Anju. Thank you for chatting up with us and thank you for sharing your valuable insights. Okay, before we wrap up this interview, three most important things that you will tell to the students who are preparing now.
Uh, First, ma'am, take an early decision. That will help you a lot in the long run. Second, consistency, ma'am. Even if you get 2 hours of study a day, you have to study. You can't leave a single day without going by. And I think you need to have sort of uh, curiosity and a genuine liking for the branch that you're preparing for. So that helps you down the road to really give in the long hours and everything, ma'am.
Great. Wonderful. I think very valuable insights. Consistency and early decision, of course. I mean, consistency, I would place above the early decision for
Hmm.
me, because again, if you decide and you don't be consistent, it's going to land you nowhere.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
great, wonderful. So we hope that the remaining time before you join is relaxed for you. Take a break, go and
Sure.
travel somewhere. It would be
Yeah, I
nice.
was thinking I was planning a trip with my friends.
Well, that would be so good. All right. Thank you, Anshu, and we wish you all the best. I'll see you around.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your guidance, ma'am.
Thank you. My pleasure.